how to redeem Samsung Rewards points. Now, in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you a quick video about your points redemption of your Samsung Rewards. The very first thing you want to do is open up Samsung.com's official page. It's just gonna be this one right here. Now, next is just simply hover your mouse into shop, and then on those previous updates on their website, you should be able to see Samsung Rewards under benefits from here. But if it's not showing on your end, then simply use this magnifying glass or the search box. Now in here, type in Samsung Rewards, and then in here you will see a lot of results. What you would have to choose from here is the introduction of Samsung Rewards point. But if it's not showing here, just simply type in again Samsung Rewards, then choose on this first link right here. So this is where you can get started on using Samsung Earn Points. So from here, the very first thing that you want to do to get started is to join as a Samsung account, of course, and then you just simply read the terms and conditions. Now open up your points on the My Rewards page, and then from there, you'll have to re-log in again onto your Samsung account. Now you can accumulate points by shopping to any of the available products that Samsung has from here, and you will receive automatically specific points depending on your purchase. To convert your points, it has to be eligible to a certain product right here for you to lessen the actual price. So that's the most convenient way for you to redeem your Samsung rewards points.